dear friend. As you know, spring is coming and is a Iranian New Year. 21st of March is Iranian New Year and we must make a special food. It's called Sabzi Polo mahi, and English said fish and vegetable rice.
Hello dear friends, happy early Nowruz. It's very nice we are celebrating with all of you, and I hope you enjoy with this program and be with us until end.
This food ingredient of 2 cups of rice I washed and put in the water half an hour before to make it, and 1 bunch of coriander, 1 leek, 4 garlic, 1 bunch of parsley, any type of fish. I bought salmon, and turmeric. Saffron is optional, black pepper and salt. the food is ready, and I must say Happy New Year, and I hope you enjoy it.
And thank you so much for being us and watching our program. Happy New Year, and hope well for all of you.